Okay, so today we're looking at the TEK A5A, and that's solving linear equations, okay? So there are two examples here on how to solve. This one is wrong. This one's the right way, okay? So you're doing always the opposite. I'm just going to show you how you can do this in your calculator because we've already gone over how to solve, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this with your calculator. Okay, so number one, we have x plus 6 equals 23. So you can go to y equals, type in this side into y1, x plus 6, and in y2, type in this side, 23. Graph it. Then you hit second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. Oh, where'd it go? Graph. Second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. Oh, hold on. I think it's because I'm pushing my buttons too fast. Try. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, so it says that I can't find it. So when it does that, I want you to hit it, zoom out. So hit zoom, zoom out, which is 3. Then I want you to try it again. Second, trace, 5, enter, enter, enter. Whatever x is your answer. So x equals 17. So on your maze, you're going to start at the puppy dog, color 17. Then we need to see what our next number is going to be. So you split them up. 5x goes into y1. And then this side goes into y2. Graph it. Second, trace, 5, enter, enter, enter. It says that x is 15. So 15. So we come down and go to 15, okay? Now you're going to keep going. I just want to show you one more thing. Let's look at number 7 together real fast. Okay, I'm just going to show you number 7. So y equals, remember that needs to be in parentheses, x divided by 12 minus 4. Okay, then on the other side we have equals 4. Okay, so we put 4. Graph it. Now, second, trace 5, enter, enter, enter. That one didn't work either, so we need to zoom out again. So go to your graph, zoom out again. Now we'll try it again. Second, trace 5, enter, enter, enter. It says x is 96. Okay, that's why it didn't work. The reason it didn't work is because you're trying to find the intersection of the two lines. That's what gives you the correct x value. So the reason it doesn't work is because sometimes your screen isn't big enough and it's way over here instead of actually being on the screen. That's why we have to zoom out so that we can actually see where they're crossing, okay? All right, so you're expected to do the rest of this before the end of class. Be sure to do it on your own because, I mean, if you don't, you're not going to pass the star, right? And that's what we're doing right now, is trying to pass the star. So be sure to do it all on your own. My suggestion is to submit answers first. Okay, before you fill in this maze, you should submit the answers you have first just to be sure you got them right, okay? Submit your answers first, okay? So before you leave class today, this paper needs to be done, turned in, and submitted online. Let me know if you need help. Good luck.